All right, so as I mentioned in the last audio, coronary circulatory system provides the heart with nourishment and removes waste products, and the heart is not supplied by the blood within its actual chambers. Here's another imaging of those arteries and veins from a different angle. As I mentioned, the circulatory system is going to, this particular PowerPoint is going to come back. Remember, blue is used to denote oxygen poor blood. Red is used to denote oxygen rich. So our pulmonary arteries are blue, pulmonary veins are going to be red. Arteries always carry blood away from the heart, and veins always carry it back to the heart. I did mention in the last audio that we have two circuits of the circulatory system. The pulmonary circuit, which is blood going to and from the lungs, and the systemic circuit, which is blood coming back to and from the body. Now, blood, as it is going through our system, follows a pattern. And you can start this pattern in any particular point. I prefer to start it at the right atrium. The blood comes from the body into the right atrium, goes through the right AV valve into the right ventricle. It goes through the pulmonary valve into the pulmonary arteries, where it then goes into the pulmonary capillaries, where it then goes into the pulmonary veins, coming back to the left atria of the heart, going through the left AV valve, entering the left ventricle, going through the aortic valve, where it then enters the aorta, which then goes into the major arteries, which become arterioles, which become capillaries, coming back into the venules, veins, and then the superior and inferior vena cava, which will dump back into the right atria, completing the circuit. That is the path, the flow of blood through the heart, and it is a very important thing to remember for both anatomy but also physiology, and just in general.